Hey guys, and welcome to a new video of Bitcoin Edge. Today we'll take another look into the charts, and we are starting off with a close of the a look at the S&P 500 and the Dixie, also the Nasdaq. The Nasdaq and the S&P 500 had their highest weekly closes ever, and the Dixie nice and weak. That's what we like. We want the Dixie to go down. This was the 2017 bull market, and this is the current one. Current bull market of Bitcoin, of course. Nice. I mean, not nice enough. We would have liked to see an engulfing on the Dixie over there. But I mean, it's not bullish yet. We want them to stay below this trend line over here. And we want them to eventually break this one. Send the dollar to zero so everything can go up. This is what we're seeing for Bitcoin. We saw a breakdown out of this triangle. Right now we're riding this trend line over here, and with very low fundings and premiums, discounts even. So that is bullish. Like lately, last couple months or last couple years, if we saw negative funding like over here, it's usually a very good spot to buy. Over here we saw very high fundings, and then you have to be a little bit careful. But right now they're so extremely bearish. That is usually a good place to buy. So that is that. CME, we still have some gaps over here. Usually they close eventually, and a lot of bears are betting on that. Bitcoin over here, what can we say? The weekly looks toppish. Monthly, however, is not something you want to see. This looks very toppy. Did we have something else like that before? Not really, I would say. Nah, it's not looking too pretty, but a lot can still happen. Let's go to the 15-minute. Let's see what we can see over here. I mean, we could see, something like this happen. Wouldn't surprise me. These are the supports right now. These are the ones we need to break. Hold. If you want it to go up, of course. Resistances, I would say this is a resistance, 32, 700, around 800, and this one. This really is an important block over here. This block, it's kind of like a wide area, but really you can see a lot of action around this price level over here, around 34,000, and that really is the place we need to break. This also, so I would say break of either of these two will decide the next direction for Bitcoin. I'm betting to the upside. Low, this one should hold, 3,500, 30k. Should hold, and after that it's just up, 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 in my opinion. This is a line we can also see. We saw that break yesterday. I mean, this is something we can see as well. So this is actually what I'm seeing on a higher time frame. And yeah, that is about it. I'm betting to the upside because we see this right over here. Very low premiums and fundings. If you want to know more about that, take a look at yesterday's video. Ethereum doing way better than Bitcoin. Yeah, they're doing very good on the daily as well. Would like to see a little bit more power here on the daily, but it's looking very good. We can go to the let's go to 1 hour. I mean, we can see, well, what can we see? Very important price level over here. This is the highest volume area, and we're just above that. So this is, I would say, support right now, around 1200, and resistances. Well, right now, this is a little trend line I could see. Would call it a little bull flag. Widening wedge, not really, I would say, but those are the trend lines, we need to break that up to the upside. This is something that is up next. Horizontally, this really is the spot, you know, we're consolidating right there. Levels to break. Let's say this is one, of course. Like this one more. And then up to the highs, targeting. I'm long, very long. Also this, you know, higher lows. And this one needs to hold as well. $1,200. So yeah, that's what I'm expecting. I'm expecting to go to the all-time highs soon. Why? Well, yesterday we were talking about Ethereum BTC, and yeah, this is what I was saying. We're getting close, you know, close to last year's high, and targeting 0.054. And it's looking very good. All alt BTC ratios are doing quite well. Yesterday I was calling for new highs, all-time highs for Link within the 48 hours, and well, it did it within 24 hours. So that's very good. Targets, I have no idea. Long it as long as it looks good. If you see a top signal, you know, yeah, you get out, having to do with fundings or candle patterns. Right now, I expect more upside. We can zoom in a little bit, go to the 15-minute. Yeah, so, I mean, get out as soon as this breaks, you know. That is what I would do. But other than that, I don't see anything that bad, really. Maybe this should be a resistance. That could be a resistance over there, you know, price at around, what is it, $30, I would say. Yeah, $30, I would get out over there. Link BTC, like I said, alt BTC ratios are partying at the moment. Broke this one, and it's just looking very good. Alt ratios are looking good. As long as Bitcoin is consolidating, I think. If Bitcoin starts mooning again, be careful with alt ratios if you're trading on that. AAVE, new highs. Been talking about AAVE like a lot lately, and new all-time highs. Very happy with that. Not much to say, you know. My target is $400 to $500. Yeah, and I mean the AAVE BTC ratio is doing great. This is what I was having as support. This is my target. But I think we will surpass this target, you know, and go for all-time highs. This is a very bullish pattern. And yeah, all-time highs, that's what it is. If you want to trade with some leverage, you know, make sure you use one of these sign-up links. They're in the video description as well. Bybit has some sign-up bonus. You can get up to $500 bonus if you deposit 1.5 Bitcoin. But you for sure get $120 bonus if you sign up and deposit some. So make sure you use one of these sign-up links. You get discounts, and yeah, you help my YouTube channel. Also make sure to subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment, and if you have questions, let me know. I mean, little summary. I'm targeting upside for Bitcoin. Stops 30K, I would say. Targeting more upside for Ethereum and the BTC ratios as well for alts. So that is about that. See you guys again tomorrow.